Okay, here we have a 2004 Winnebago Rialta straight from Pop Top Heaven. The customer lives in Houston and they have never seen the RV in person. They ordered it from Pop Top and then had it shipped to me to have the generator installed. And it's actually a pretty clean RV. Show you the inside. So it's the model with captain chairs. I think it's called a HD. I don't have it memorized. Looks like they upgraded the refrigerator, put a convection oven in here. The seats look good. Same original air conditioner, but it works. Everything's pretty clean with new carpet up here. Seats look good. So, not bad. Now I will say they paid a pretty penny for it. I'm not gonna say how much, but quite a bit. Oh, let me show you the control panel. Got the air conditioner running right now. Let's see how many watts it's pulling. That's amps, 10.9 and 1300 watts. So I'm waiting on the shipper now to come and pick this thing up and take it to the customer. They were supposed to be here earlier, but got delayed. So I just wanted to make a quick video. Since the customer is not here, I had pretty much forgot about making a video, but thought I'd make one anyway. Alrighty, well, I forgot to mention that it did arrive with some damage from the shipper. They're taking care of it for the customer, or I guess financially reimbursing them, but in case y'all seen that in the video when I came around here, I just wanted to explain what it was. Not sure how it happened, but there's a mark here, here, all the way across, here, big hole there, more straight marks. Looks like they backed into something or something. But I noticed that when they arrived, the shipper didn't even want to inform me of it. I had to find it on my own, so be careful when you ship something.